Hey guys, Parker Wheeland here, and today I'm doing a review on a flashlight that I ordered on Amazon. Let's go. Okay, so first, here's everything that came with it. We have the flashlight itself, a charger, a car charger, 2 rechargeable ETpower batteries, a case that you put the batteries in, and a 3 AAA battery holder. So now I'm going to show you everything closer. Here's the flashlight itself. Right here is a little thing so you can recharge it. I could put that back in here. And right here, focus, come on, now there's dog hair on it. Focus. All those serrated teeth right there, that's called the attack head. So, like, it's for self-defense. You can jab someone with it or something like that. Okay, so just give me a second and I will put the batteries in here and then I'll show you what it does. So what you do is you take the little container thing, you put the battery in it like this, then you're going to put the battery in with the case around it. Yep, there we go. Got it. Now you're going to take the bottom cap, screw it back on. One second. There we go. And you're going to screw it back on. Oh, this thing keeps on coming out. This little thing right here that covers up the charging port keeps on coming out. Okay, so this is high powered, medium power. Oh wait. Oh, one second. High power, medium power, low power, strobe, and SOS mode. And it also has a zoomable beam. Need to quick use this to set up the camera so I can show you the zoomable beam. Will this work? Yep, there we go. Okay, so what you do is you take this little piece right here and you twist it that way to zoom in, then twist it back that way to zoom out. So zoom in or zoom out, so that way it's a wider beam, and then zoom in for a more focused beam. Also, on the flashlight, there's this little wristband right here. So say you're out in the woods and your hands get super sweaty, then it slips out. It won't fall, and you can just toss it back up, and then you can keep on using it. So, hope you liked today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See ya.